What if I told you your next GoPro might just be the wildest one yet? No, seriously. Imagine a camera so tough it takes a face full of truck pressure water like it's nothing, spins through the air like a gymnast mid-flip, and still delivers buttery smooth, high-res footage. Sounds like sci-fi? Not anymore. Welcome to the future of 360 action capture, because GoPro Max 2 leaks are here, and they're spicy. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a VR storyteller, or just someone who wants their snowboarding to fail in glorious 8K, this could be the camera that redefines what action footage looks and feels like. We've got images, rumors, and some juicy official hints that paint a very exciting picture. So grab your gear or just your popcorn, and let's break down what could be GoPro's most ambitious camera yet. First image, boom. The Max 2 is getting blasted with a fire hose level spray from a Ford truck. Not a casual drizzle. We're talking serious pressure. Message received, this thing is waterproof. No external housing, no worries. We're betting on a 10-meter depth rating at minimum, maybe more. But the real story is in the grip. That's not your average selfie stick where it's chunkier, more ergonomic. It might be an Invisible Stick 2.0, or maybe it's something new entirely, a grip that doubles as a tripod, battery bank, or both. One thing's clear, it's built for action. Then there's the second shot, a motion blur tornado of chaos. The background is swirling like a vortex, the kind of effect you only get when the camera is spinning like mad. It screams high-speed capture, buttery stabilization, or possibly 8K 360 video at serious frame rates. This isn't just about looking cool, it's about showing off the tech. Now, the third image gives us more context. Someone walking a high ropes course, decked out in helmet, harness, and courage. There's a GoPro on the helmet, and the Max 2 in hand. Translation, GoPro doesn't want this to replace your main cam. They want it as your sidekick, your second angle, your holy crap, did you see that shot? Device. That same new grip appears again, confirming it's a legit accessory and not just a one-off prototype. Let's talk upgrades. The original Max from 2019 was solid, but the 2025 refresh didn't bring the heat. The Max 2, it's aiming for redemption. First major shift, centered lenses. That alone will fix a bunch of stitching artifacts and make 360 footage way cleaner. And yes, 8K capture is on the table. That's not wishful thinking. It's expected. The original Max maxed out at 5.6K, which feels ancient now. And here's where it gets even juicier. GoPro themselves hinted at replaceable lenses. That's not a rumor, that's from their own posts. So scratch a lens on your mountain biking trip, no sweat, swap it out and keep going. Plus, there are new cooling vents visible on the front, a subtle but crucial sign that GoPro is thinking beyond overheating, especially if they're trying to compete with DJI's Osmo 360, which already does 8K at 30 frames per second for over an hour without melting. Let us know what you think. Is this the comeback GoPro needed in the 360 space? Would you pick up a Max 2 if it checks all the boxes? Or are you waiting to see how it stacks up against DJI and Insta360's next move? Either way, the action cam war just got interesting again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech drops. And I'll see you in the next one.